Okay, so there you go. Looks like Route 4 is still closed. Probably letting a little more traffic through so people can get up there and survey the damage. Guys are still working diligently to reset the brewery. It's a beautiful day here in Vermont, about as good as it gets. Hard to believe it was like it was on Sunday. So that's what's going on here at the brewery. It's a very hardy group, keeping things going. There goes somebody. Here comes some more people. A lot of destruction around here. There's a couple people here at the brewery that pretty much lost everything. One of our brewers just bought a house up the road about 6 months ago. Completely totaled, gone. Tony Duskowitz, our IT and marketing guy, his place is totaled. He lives with his girlfriend Vicky, who works here also, visitor center. Lost their apartment, both their cars. Cats are okay. A few of the friends of the brewery live up the road, spend a lot of time here in the visitor center. Don McNeil, Rebecca Greenlee, Bill Greenlee. Don lost his whole house. Bill and Becca, jury's out. So, pretty crazy. Been here since Saturday afternoon. Could use a shower. Haven't seen my family since Saturday, but you know, they know the ship's going down, I'm going down with it, so you know, they are actually on a trip to Canada for a day. Daughter Casey's 21st birthday is today. They were going up. So they went up on Saturday to have a little mother-daughter day, and they've been up there since. Been in Burlington. They were going to try to hike into Pittsfield today, probably a 15-mile hike from the Rutland side because we're completely cut off, but not sure what's going on at the house. So if somebody wants to get up there, hope they're doing okay. Happy birthday, Case. Signing off from Bridgewater. Bye.